Morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope everybody is good and living the happy and safe life at the home. Today, we will learn about pronouns. Pronoun before we already learn about noun, and in the noun we already study about common noun and proper noun. But today just I talk about noun because last week I was teach just I revise for you, and then after I start the na gsipsi. You can see here there have the written also na gsipsi about pronoun. Pronoun. What means pronoun? We have to study also, and we will see the picture one by one and vocabulary. Then after we will exercise about the what we have to do in the pronoun. Pronoun is like that. You can try to understand like that. No, you can see here. This is no, N-O-U-N. But Kangna, no, have to written about pronoun. Is pro is over than no. So what we can say, pronoun is, what is pronoun? Like that, a word, sorry, a word that is used in place of a noun. มันต้นไหนที่ไหนมัน noun ตรงนู้นมันสายให้ pronoun word that we call pronoun. Again I read, a word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Understand? A word that is used แปลว่าใช้ที่ไหน a word that is used in the place of a nounที่ noun that we are called pronoun. Very good. Like that, in example, have to showing to you pronouns are words that replace one new one is included in the noun, like that I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. That we call, this is all is pronoun, and this all is pronoun, and today we will study about pronoun. You can see if have the written about she, you can change in her. They, you can change in they. Them, you can change about they are playing. Okay, but if have written it is same. Now have the any changing. Next slide, you can see here pronoun. Please you can read the Thai and try to understand from the book also. In the book have the na G14 นะครับ na G14 page number na G14 lesson number lesson number 1 na G14. Please you can open this book grammar 4, and please open the book na G14 pronoun, and please you can read the Thai language for your good understanding what means pronouns. Okay, next, subject pronoun. In the parts of pronouns we will study about subject pronoun and object pronoun. What means subject pronoun and what means object pronoun? Please you can try to understand from the Thai language also, and there have the written about you can try to understand also from the your downstairs in the page number 24, and there have the I have to change with me, I, and I is object, I is subject, I means I subject, and if have to change in the object pronoun, we can change me, me, I object means me. You have to change in the object pronoun, same you. Okay, next, we, subject pronoun is be. How can change? We have to change in the object pronoun us, us. Okay, next, they, this is subject pronoun, and if have to change in the object pronoun, we can change in the them. Object pronoun is them. Next, he is subject pronoun. He is subject pronoun, and if have to change in the object pronoun, what we can change? He means in the object pronoun is changed about him. Okay. Next, C have to change in object pronoun her, S-E-R, her. Next, it. It is same in object pronoun. It means it. I change with me. You change with you. We change with us. They change with them. And he change with him. And she change with her. It change with it. Okay. This is subject pronoun and this is object pronoun. Like this have to change. Next slide. You can see here have the written pronoun and some Thai language. So please focus on next slide about here. The don't stay of the pronouns. Already a study about this one, how to change subject pronoun and object pronoun. Then after we have to exercise about the that subject pronoun and object pronoun. You can see here. This is the object pronoun and fill in the blanks. Number one, subject pronoun and this side is object pronoun. Suppose I, that right now we already study. You can see here. I show you. We already study I. How to change in the object pronoun? You can see here. I. How to change? You have to must write in the fill in the blank. I have to change with I change with me. So you can fill here me and you. You change with you. So you can change here you. We change with us. So we can change us. They change with them. So you can write them here. Okay. This is fill in the blank. He change with his. Yes or not? Him. So please you can change him. Next, she change with her. So you can change her. Next, it change with it. So you can change it. You change with you. This word is come to place. This one and this one is same. He change with him. So what we can write him. Next, I change with me. So what we can write me. Okay. So in the fill in the blanks, I already help you for fill in the blank. Please you can fill by pencil. Okay. And complete it. Don't send me. You can complete. I will check later. Next slide. In the next slide, have exercise again about the pronoun. In the pronoun, subject pronoun and object pronoun. How to subject pronoun fill and how to object pronoun will fill. You can see they have the two column in the filling the blanks and total is 20 core gzip core. You can see here have the written about subject pronoun and object pronoun. There have the written the Thai language. Please you can try to understand. And number one is written chu. Pen chu puying puchai. You can try to understand pim. Pim is puying or puchai. What do you know? This is puying or puchai. Puying. So what we can feel like it is. And I write again. C. Any pen puying pen C. C. And C is changed with object. Object pronoun. What we will say? Very easy. Gai mak mak. Easy. Pim เป็นผู้หญิงกับผู้หญิงเป็นชายอะไร C ถูกไหม C is beautiful. She is a girl. She is a lady like that. We can say Pim เป็น C and C is changed with her. Number two, not is ผู้หญิงor ผู้ชายถูกไหมผู้หญิงผู้ชาย you ก็หาเฉย just you can see here ผู้หญิงผู้ชาย you ก็ just you can write ผู้หญิงเป็นผู้หญิงใช่ไหมอยู่ที่ภาษาไทยคนไทย not ชื่อ not เป็นผู้หญิง and ผู้หญิงก็เป็น she ผู้ชายก็เป็น he ใช่ไหม he is a boy she is a girl ใช่ป่ะ so not is she เป็นผู้หญิง and change in the object pronoun object เปลี่ยนอะไร her same she เป็น her ก็อันนี้เป็น she เหมือนกันก็ her เหมือนกันถูกต้องไหม number three is boom boom เป็นผู้ชายเป็นผู้หญิงผู้ชายถูกต้องนะเป็นผู้ชายผู้ชายก็ใส่อะไรใส่ he เป็นผู้ชาย he is a boy boom is a boy so he is a boy ก็ he you can use the he and he is changed in the object pronoun this is subject pronoun and this is object pronoun he is changed with him very good h I m เก่งมากต่อไป number 4 tum tum เป็นผู้ชายเหมือนกัน what we will use same he ใช่ไหมก็ใส่ h e he แล้วก็ change in the object pronoun him เข้าใจไหมเก่งมากต่อไป the king king เป็นผู้หญิงผู้ชาย king เป็นผู้ชายใช่ไหม king เป็นผู้ชาย queen เป็นผู้หญิงใช่ไหมก็ king ก็ใช้อะไร he เหมือนกันใส่ he เหมือนกันตรงนี้แล้วก็ he object pronoun what is this him and the queen I already help you for and now you can fill in the blank the queen is ผู้หญิงใช้อะไรผู้หญิงก็เป็น she so what we will understand see how to change in the object pronoun she เป็น subject pronoun and when we'll change in the object pronoun is she เป็น her very good the flower is it 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 so what not eat นะไม่ใช่กินอาหารอันนี้เป็น I แล้วก็ t it ใช้กับหลาย object pronoun it ใช้ it เหมือนกัน object pronoun ต่อไป พิมพ์ and ปุ่มพิมพ์ and ปุ่มเป็นสองคนพิมพ์ and ปุ่ม that we can use they ใช่ไหม that we are use they Pim and Pum, they are boys. Pum is they will change with object pronoun them. T-S-E-M. Okay. Very good. Next, number 9. Number 9 is not an I. Not an I. Miss B.ถูกไหม B will change with how B will change in the object pronoun change with as. B is changed in the object pronoun as. Very good. Number 10. I and tum. I and tum. Miss B. Law. I and tum is name. And that we can say we. And this is subject pronoun we. And object pronoun we will change with as. Understand? Like that, same as number 9 and number 10. Next slide, you can see here same in the one slide I cannot finish the 20 sentence, so I have to written in the next slide. You can see here same of the last slide. In this one, number 11 is talking about the teacher, and the teacher is boys or girl. That have to depend on that teacher is boy or girl. So if that is boy, you can write here he, but if teacher is girl, you can write here he, C. And if have the boys, you can change here him. Okay, object pronoun. But if have puing means ladies teacher, you can change here her. She means her. Okay, she is changed with her object pronoun. Next slide, you can see here number 12, the lion is what? Eat. Understand? This lion, I don't know that is have to written about he or she or what. So what we will use, eat. Lion is what? That we can understand like that. So it is changed in the object pronoun it. Same subject pronoun of it is changed same object pronoun it. Next slide. Next is number 9. Number 13 is The lions is many, many. Like to what we can say? They. Many, many. So what we can use? They. And they is subject pronoun. And after that, we have to change in the object pronoun. They have to change with them. You can check your book also and fill in the blank. Next slide, you can see here the nurse. Nurse is whoing, nurse is lady, and doctor is boy. So what we can use? Nurse is ladies. So you can use the she, and she is subject pronoun. And when we will change in the object, the change her. She have to change with her object pronoun. Number 15 is super. Super is ladies or boy. Try to understand by name. This is ladies. Super is a ladies, and ladies have to written here, have to write in the subject pronoun she, and she is changed in the object pronoun her. Number 16, mother. Mother is a ladies. Father is a man. Father is used with he is a father, and mother have to use she is a mother. So mother is she. So you can use she right here. She. She is subject pronoun, and when we are changing the object pronoun, change her. S-E-R. She is her mother. You can say like that. And she is my mother. This is subject pronoun, but in the object pronoun, we have to use her. Number 17, father. Father is boys. Yeah, man. Man have to use with he. He is my father. And when we are changed in the object pronoun, object have to change with subject pronoun. So in the object, we can change he means him. Okay, S-I-M. Number 18. Number 18 is talking about Boo and Bomb. Boo and Bomb is name that we can write here. Two people, Boo and Bomb is right here. T-S-E-Y. They. And they is changed with them. Very good. I hope you are understand. If you are not understand, please you can watch this video again and again. Number 19, the snake. The snake we have to change with it, it, and it is changed in the object pronoun it, same. Number 20 is the table. The table is changed with it, subject pronoun, and object pronoun is changed, it is it, same. Next slide, sorry. Next slide is talking about exercise. You can write here about pronoun, have the written in the Thai language also for your good understanding, because na ji sipok 20 page number 26. Please you can open the page number 26 and see here they have the also some more exercise. So in this one you can see here have the written number 1. You can look at the book, and number 1 is written about I love my king. Your king is boys or girl? King is a man. So what we can write? He. Queen is a ladies, because queen we are used with ladies. So queen is used she, and have the written I love my king. King is he. So after that have to change like that. I love him, because have to change with he. King. King is changed with subject pronoun he, and in the object pronoun is him. Next, number 2, my king give his love to thighs. So again come about he. So you can change here he, my king. So you can write here he give G-I-V-E, give his love to hi. Okay. Number two. Number three, you can see here how many total is 10 sentences. The tree are tall. So what we can say, the tree is tall. It tree is tall. It, you can use the it, it. Okay. Next slide. I just already keep the two sentences, correct sentence for your understanding. Next one you have to complete by yourself. Number four is my queen is beautiful. My queen is C, because my queen, this is queen, talking about queen. So what we can say, queen is showing about a ladies. So my queen is beautiful. When you change, you can write here C S S E, C, subject pronoun. So what we can write, she is beautiful. Next, number five, you and I. You and I means we, W-E, we. You and I do the homework. So what we can change, we do the homework. You can change in the subject pronoun. Next slide. In the next slide, number six, Pan goes to Pattaya with Pim and I. So what we can change, there have the bold written word. You can see Pim and I is written the bold word. So this one you can care here how to change. This one it will change with Pim goes to prayer with us. So what we can send in the object pronoun us. Okay. Next is the student clean the library. The student clean the library. Library is have the written in the bold, and this is object pronoun. Object pronoun is changed with it. This is it library. The student clean it library. Okay. Number 8, Tom likes Pani. So Pani is pooing, means ladies. So what we can sense here is talking about Pani, and this is the name of ladies. So what we can say, this is object pronoun, and in the object pronoun, Tom's like her. Object pronoun she. Pani means Pani is name of ladies, and ladies is she, and talking about object pronoun. So what we can sense, her. Tom likes her. Okay. Next slide. Number 9. Boom is very diligent. Okay. So this one have to change with object pronoun, subject pronoun, and subject pronoun is changed with his name. Boom is a boy, and boy is subject pronoun is he. He is very diligent. Okay. Number 10. Number 10 is my mother go to the market. So this one is talking about subject pronoun again. So subject pronoun is changed with subject. You can see my mother. My mother means ladies. So ladies is subject pronoun used like this. She goes to market. You have the bold word in the back front. So talking about subject pronoun, and subject pronoun have to change in the object. If you have to talking about object pronoun, you can change in the subject. Okay, I hope you are understand. Next slide, you can see here exercise. You can fill in the blank by yourself. There is the subject pronoun and there is object pronoun. You can understand. If you have the name written here, you can fill the subject pronoun. Then after, like that, Pim is ladies, and ladies is changed with subject pronoun she and object pronoun her. Like that, you can fill in the blank. I already teach you. Next, I also teach you. Please, you can complete this 2 exercise, and you can send for me. I will check it. Next is conversation. Conversation is talking about conversation. How to we can talk every day. with friends, with parents, with teacher, yeah, with your family also. So please, you can open the page number 104. 104. Now, Royce exercise. Lesson number 1, conversation, not exercise, conversation. Lesson number 1. Na Royce. And in this conversation is talking about teacher. Teacher is asking to a student, teacher thama naklian na, teacher tham naklian. What is your name? Is in English language, what is your name? A student is Taba. My name is Pani. Pani Top. Miss give answer for teacher. My name is Pani. Very good. Next conversation is talking about teacher. What are you? Teacher Tham. Miss teacher is asked again. You can see here have the question mark. And is talking. Pani is say to teacher, I am a student. Very good. Next, you can see here, have to written again about teacher. Teacher Tham, teacher is asking to a student, are you a student? Are you a good student? Is asking to a student. And then after, Pani Bawa is saying the answer, yes, I am. Means, yes, I am a student. I am a good student. Okay. Next slide. You can see here, in this slide is talking about teacher Thamba. How many brothers do you have? Pani Tawa, I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. Miss mi nong chai song nong pu chai mi ki kon. Song kon ka top song kon sam kon. If you have 3 brothers, you can say 3 brothers. If you have no brothers, you can say I have no brothers. Okay. Next slide, you can see here talking about teacher Thamba. How many sisters do you have? Pani is give answer for teacher. I have no sister. Me means no have. So if have the conversation talking like that, you can give answer like this. Okay. Next slide is talking about teacher say to Pani, very good, sit down. Sit down แปลว่านั่งลงเก่งมากตอบได้ทุกอัน and Pani บอกว่า thank you teacher. Okay. So when you have to talk conversation to each other, you can say like that. In next slide, I say to you, thank you very much to watching the video related of pronoun, subject pronoun and object pronoun. I hope you are understand from the teaching of Deepak. If you don't understand, you can watch this video again and again and try to understand. Then after you can use pronoun in your daily life. I hope you will understand. I wish for your life, for your happy life, safe life. And in the COVID-19 situation, I give the good suggestion for you. Please, you can use the mask like this, and you can use the sanitizer for your clean hand and make the social distancing for your save the life. Stay at home, study online, and happy life, live the happy life. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon after finish the COVID-19. Have a good day.